Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. See it right there in the hood, right there.
Sure ain't no dirt boy.
Not today, old man. I know all your tricks.
Rogie, I'm sorry for getting mad at you. I was too hard on you.
Remember that time Posty brought all those letters for Polly? I was so jealous.
No, you don't know what you want. Luigi know what you want. Black.
You two, we have this under control. Why don't you move to a safer place?
Sure. No.
To see you, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
¡Eres la luz de la carretera! Perdona que te dejara, jefe. Voy a enmendar esto.
As crop hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
Moan can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just let me go get my tool.
This fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
An
independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe.
It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing there?
Hello, Mater. It's so good.
Not my town, don't.
Did I ever tell you how much I love your mud flaps?
Out of my way,
I
Bumpkin.
got my fishing flaps, got my church.
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will beat it.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa! Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Only be disarmed by the one who activated it.
Say it.
Like to try?
Tag, you're in.
Is no insult. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama. Just like you miss.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Hey, Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old
Oh, yeah, I see. I can use that energy for motivation, right?
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here!
I hereby dub thee.
Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Paint job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
That was some pretty darn nice racing out there.
By me!
Oh my. I told Percy I would play with him. And I don't want to disappoint Percy.
I don't know, Flo. I haven't had a chance to find out, but I'm going to.
En route! Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Right behind! Boom! Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Was doing 20 to life in a Moroccan impound the first time I saved him, if I recall correctly.
Speaking.
Move! Cruise! I knew you had something. And now look at you.
Hello, face! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!